The court does conduct a hearing. So you will go to court, you will have to present evidence. Evidence is anything that you have personally experienced, you are free to tell the court about. You cannot say, well, I heard he did this. That is not evidence. I have seen him do this. That is evidence. And you're free to talk about that all day long. I like to use IEPs in these proceedings. You as mom and dad are part of the IEP team. So you are part of the body that creates this document. So you can testify to what is in the IEP. So if one of the goals for your child this year is to be able to recognize a $5 bill 3 out of 5 times correctly, that tells the court, okay, this person right now cannot recognize a $5 bill, and they're hoping at best he's going to get to 3 out of 5 times. So that is some good information to be able to get across and to share. If the court does find that the proposed ward needs a guardian, then the question will be, who is the most appropriate guardian? Oftentimes it's the people who came to court and said, I want to be the guardian. Now, if there are more than one person who wants to be the guardian, that's when problems can develop. And this is where exes sometimes will decide this is a good opportunity to fight for custody. Again, I will let you know though, probate court is not like family court. Probate court is not trying to keep the family together and make sure everybody is involved. Probate court wants one decision maker. They want to hold one person accountable. They don't want to have people pointing fingers, well, I thought they were doing that. I thought they want to know who's got the decision-making authority. The only time I've seen the court name co-guardians is when it's mom and dad, they're married to each other, living in the same household, and both are involved in the care of the child. Then you can ask for co-guardians, and oftentimes the court will do it.
That's common.
I won't say that it's common, but it is done. When you are named the guardian, you will take an oath, and then the court will issue letters of guardianship. Those letters, it's a one-sheet, one-page court document, that is your authority to act on this individual's behalf. I like to get many court copies, usually 5 or 6. You carry one on you at all times. Somehow your child needs to carry one of these on them at all times, especially if they're out in public. The school should probably have one. Doctor probably should have one. If there's a hospital that you routinely go to, it's a good idea to have one in their file as well. That way everybody knows you have the authority to make these decisions.